Hi, today's March 9th, Monday, start of another week. So I'm here on the Senate floor today, standing in front of the Senate President's seat. You can see the big seal behind me. I just thought you might like to see a different part of the Capitol. So in today's newsletter, we're talking about federal litigation that the state is filing. One example is our lawsuit against the designation of the ringed seal as endangered species. So you'll find that in the newsletter. So the Fraser Institute did a survey of mining opportunities around the world, and they found Yukon and Alaska ranked as two of the richest mining deposit areas in the world. So that was pretty interesting, and you'll find that article in the newsletter. One of the bills we're hearing this week is Senate Bill 6 that relates to daylight savings. You know, I have gotten lots of positive statements from our area around Anchorage about stopping daylight savings. In other words, picking a time and just sticking with it. So that'll be interesting to see that bill progress. In Senate Resources this week, we're pretty busy. Today, we're going to be hearing about wetlands mitigation. This is where companies have to pay if any wetlands are being used for their development. So that'll be an interesting subject. And we're also going to be hearing the governor's bill, which would provide more right-of-way for the gas pipeline. So another interesting bill. Then on Wednesday, we're going to be talking about oil and gas opportunities in other parts of the state other than Prudhoe Bay. And then on Friday, we'll be hearing a report from the Alaska Oil and Gas Competitiveness Review Board. So it'll be an interesting week in the legislature. Hope you enjoy the newsletter, and talk to you next week.